Elmia Solar is a very great platform for us to present first our products, second to exchange with our partners who are also here, and also to exchange with installers who are really the person who is taking our product to the market. And in particular, this show is very great to see how professional these people are.
Vi rekommenderar andra att ställa ut på Elmia Solar just av den anledningen att det har varit väldigt många som har varit här. Det har varit nyttiga kunder för våran del.
You know, to be honest, as on behalf of Longi, we have been attending many exhibitions in Europe, in China as well. And I have to say Elmia is the best. Definitely I will invite more and more people to come to Elmia Solar. And we'll be attending more in the future as well.